Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Ashley and today I will be sharing with you guys how I went from looking like this, and I literally had no curls in my head and I swore up and down that I did, to looking like this, where I literally have a head full of curly healthy hair. Y'all, I was not always like this, and as y'all can see from that picture that I just put on there, y'all know the struggle was real. So I'm gonna be giving y'all tips on what I did to help my hair grow and just flourish, and how my hair journey came from looking like that to looking like this. So if you're interested, just make sure you keep on watching. I'll be looking down just because I have my notebook here and I have everything that I want to share with you guys written down here, just so I won't forget anything. But yeah, let's get into the video. So I'm gonna start off in 2014, literally from the point that I remember. So in 2014, I went to a majority Hispanic school, and that played a big part in my life and how it affected my hair. So just seeing like how everybody's hair was, and then me having this kind of hair, I wanted to fit in. And you know, curly hair just really wasn't popular back then, or having naturally curly hair wasn't really popular back then. So I had no choice, or I feel like I had no choice but to constantly straighten my hair just so that I could fit in and not look like I was different. A lot of stuff that happened at that school, so me just wanting to fit in, I straightened my hair all the time, literally every week, and not even just once a week, but literally multiple times during that week. And then as y'all can see in this picture right here, I swore up and down that I had curls, but they were non-existent. Like literally my hair looked like a question mark. And I mean, nobody told me nothing, because at that time, or literally even still, like I called like the good hair and all of that stuff. So nobody, I mean, then in 2014, it wasn't really like popular to have naturally curly hair or just have healthy hair like how it is now. So then my freshman year, I moved back to the side of town where I was born and raised in, and I was around more people that looked like me. So I took the initiative in myself to start taking care of my hair. Now, I didn't completely stop using heat, but I did like slow down on using heat. So that's when I decided to get on YouTube, because I didn't know what to do, and plus, like, I'm the only one in my family that has hair like this. Like everybody else's hair is like 4B, 4C, or nobody could really lead me in the right direction on how to do my hair. So I went to YouTube, and I think I remember like typing like black girls do their hair or something like that, and I seen a lot of YouTubers doing wash and goes. So I, not knowingly, I just started to do what they were doing. And I literally just remember putting some moisturizer in my hair and adding the green Eco Styler gel, and then just styling my hair like that. And then my hair literally looked like noodles. People in my school would say my hair looked like noodles. Like, to me, it was better than me applying heat to my hair, since that was not the goal that I was going for. I wanted to have my hair look somewhat decent. So I didn't want to do the big chop either, because I'm 13, 14 at this time, and I didn't want to do no big chop. So I just cut off straightening my hair. The only time I was straightening my hair was literally once a year in January, when it's my birthday, and just so that I can get it straightened. And when I straighten my hair, the lady that does my hair cuts it. So that was the only time that I was getting my hair cut as well. Every time that I would go to her, my hair would get thicker and everything, just because every time that I was going, she was cutting, you know, the ends of my hair, the dead parts of my hair. Doing wash and goes and stuff, my hair started to get used to it. Still looked stringy and all of that stuff, so I decided to find something else to do with my hair. I went back on YouTube, and I started getting very consistent on watching YouTube and watching people do their hair, and I seen that people started to do braid outs and twist outs. So me, you know, just trying to learn more, I did the braid outs and the twist outs as well. But my hair was literally so damaged and thin that, I mean, obviously my hair wasn't gonna look like them, because I didn't have the same hair as they did, and plus my hair was literally damaged. I didn't know about perm rods and all of that stuff. So I seen someone doing a braid out, and she had heat damage, but the way that she like hid it was using the perm rods. I started doing the braid outs and then using the perm rod at the end, so that it can have, you know, that little spirally look at the end. But I ran track during high school, so having, you know, 5th period track and then having after school practice, the curls in my hair would literally fall because 1, it's hot outside, 2, it's humid, and 3, I'm sweating because I'm running all the time. So it made no sense for me to come home from school, shower, and wash my hair, do my hair, wake up at 5:30 in the morning, have to keep doing my hair over and over and over again to literally not accomplish anything, because what was I accomplishing? I would end up having to put my hair in a ponytail, and I was literally just wasting product. So I knew with me and athletic life, I couldn't continue doing braid outs and twist outs. So I just decided to resort back to doing wash and goes, because that was the one thing that kind of lasts. Now mind you, I would still have to style my hair mostly like 2 to 3 times a week, and that's how many times I was also washing my hair, just because I'm sweating and I didn't want to be smelling like grass and sweat all the time. So I would just continue doing wash and goes. Now me doing that constantly, my hair started to get thicker. I'll keep inserting pictures, but my hair, you can see like how my hair started to change with me just doing wash and goes. So all this is like 2018 already, and I'm a junior in high school. So that's when I really started to care about how I look. So I made sure to just have my hair like up to par, and my hair was really short. It looked better than what it did in 2014. When was it? December 31st of 2018 is when I found out that there was a natural hair salon here in Houston. I was just like shook and just wanted to go, because every time that I would see like a natural hair salon, it'll either be in New York or like Atlanta, literally anywhere but Houston. So when I found this place, I was so excited and just hurried up and booked my appointment. And when I went, it literally changed my life, because I went from only cutting my hair once a year at this place that I have to straighten my hair to get it cut. That's adding heat to my hair, which is what I didn't want to do, to going to someone that actually knows how to do your hair, how to manage your hair. He knows what exactly to do with my hair without applying heat to my hair. So in my experience over there, they told me to go with my hair in its natural state. So let's say like a day 3-year-old wash and go. And then he talked to me and asked me how did I want my hair to look. I told him what I was going for, and he listened. And as he was cutting my hair dry, he didn't have to wet it or anything like that. He was talking to me and like asking me like, what do I do with my hair? How often do I deep condition? How often do I shampoo? And you know, he gave me more knowledge on how to do my hair. So at the end of my visit, I was completely satisfied with my look, and this is how my hair looked after I left from over there. I was just so happy like with my results, literally could not complain. And so like rest of my junior year, my hair just looked so good because it was growing out healthy. He cut off all the damage in my hair without having to do a big chop, and my hair just flourished. 2020 is when we had Corona, and so people started to put out more YouTube content since we were literally locked up. I got more knowledge on how to do my hair. Then I reflected and realized that I didn't really deep condition my hair ever. The only time that I would deep condition my hair was when I remember or started to get more informed about my hair type, porosity of my hair, you know, what my hair liked, what my hair didn't like. If you didn't take nothing from being in quarantine, then I decided to start deep conditioning my hair, and that made worlds of a difference. Like when I say deep conditioning my hair, I mean deep conditioning my hair once a week. Literally when I shampoo my hair, I would literally only shampoo my hair, then add the conditioner, and that was it. But I added deep conditioning to that wash day process, and you know, already washing your hair is already a long process. Just adding that extra step made like completely 360 in my hair. And actually listening to my hair, I knew that I couldn't style my hair without adding a gel, because I would like it just wouldn't look good at all. I ended up finding what porosity my hair was, because that also plays a big part. Density of your hair type, and all of that, it just plays a big part in learning your hair. If you don't take anything else from this video, learn your hair. Okay. People may have the same hair type as you, but your porosity might be different. So the same hairstyles that someone might use may not work for you, or it's a lot of just trial and error with natural hair. So yeah, but this is what my hair looks like now. I just filmed a video on how I achieved this look, and I'm literally so happy with my results. My hair has not been this big in a minute, My hair looks good right now. My hair is somewhat healthy. So that's what I did with my hair. That's my hair journey. What I did with my hair was literally just listen to it and doing what it wants. Like, your hair would literally tell you what it needs. Like, if it needs more oil, if it needs to just deep condition, just take care of your hair. And also just being more positive is another thing that helped me. But yeah, so my hair journey, and this is what my hair looks like now. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like, a thumbs up, make sure you hit that subscribe button because it's free. Yeah, just make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you leave a comment on maybe questions you may have, or just things like that. But I went from literally having no curls to having a head full of flourishing beautiful curls, and I just love my hair. So yeah, and yes, stay tuned for the next video. Bye.